Where are you? Yay! May isa nang masaya. Alam mo, hindi yan nakatulog kasi takot na takot siya. Baka hindi siya makapasok. Yay! Ay, nasa ibag mo na. Oh, ayan, nagbablog na. Yan na, dito na kami sa gate.
Magsaya ka muna.
Sabi ni Mami, saan mo natutunan yun?
Bakit nagsasaya to? Wala pa tayo sa Mexico.
Wala ka pa sa Mexico, ah. Uy! Tatakbo na. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Much longer.
Hi, Nami.
Ay, hindi pala. Ito pala to.
And then we're gonna take another trip. And then we're in Mexico.
Wow, galing nga.
Transfer book with WestJet Vacations. Please look for the WestJet.
Ayan na, Nami. What you gonna say? What you gonna say, Nam? Welcome to? Welcome to? Ano? Ano beauty core? Mexico. Welcome to Mexico, baby. Yun, nakahinga na. Isang A ulit. Nakapasok. We're here. Mami. Yan, tanggal sweater na. Hinintay na yung shuttle. Ngayon, yan, hiwa-hiwalay na kami dahil hindi na kami magkakakilala. Hindi na kami magkakakilala, kaya ayan, kami grupo-grupo na kami. Yes.
Sige.
Papunta na kami, palis na yung shuttle. Are you excited?
No.
Thank you.
Sorry, Let's go.
Can we sit? Okay. Oh, right there.
Vámonos, aquí asustan.
No. Dito tayo.
Let's go get this car.
Can we sit?
Parang
Okay,
narinig yung kay Dora.
Vámonos na Dora.
So what are drinks and Mexican?
Okay.
The Mexican is tequila.
Wow, no water? Oh my gosh.
Ay, walang car seat dito, Rote.
Oh yeah, no car seat. Like sa Philippines.
Oh, car seat for me. Narinig mo yung salita nila, te? Nos mueve la ciudad. I wonder what that means. Oh, we're not gonna go mountain. We're going to the beach. No mountain for today. Oh, no. There's no mountain. Do you see any mountain here?
You're so funny.
There's a Cancun. We're here at the hotel. Finally. There's a restaurant right there, Mexican taco, and a church in front of our hotel. What? I don't know. It might fall. What is it, Nam? It's hot?
Mom, we'll go in the room now.
No, we have to wait for our room first. Here's our hotel room. And look at that. Oh, it's so warm here. Wow. Nice. It's nice. Nice and cool. Okay. Change outfit na kami. Wow. Kahit hindi pa mukhang dugyot pa. Hello. Mukhang mga anak ko lang mag-iingay dito ah. It's nice and peaceful. Pagkatas kumain.
Laro ka na kanina.
Uy, naging blue ka te. You turn blue. Is it raining? Saan sila kumain? Oh, look at that. It's nice. See? The wind is nice. You like it? Oh, there's a picture spot here. Huh? I don't know. Is this the buffet? Maybe this is the Asian. Walang buffet eh. Let's go here. Sa Asian tayo. First dinner, our appetizers. Well, may presentation naman ah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy... Ay! Diaper! Wow! Happy birthday, baby! You say thank you, not happy birthday. We love you. How old are you? How old are you?
5.
No! How old are you? Do you know? 6? No, din! Si ate yung 6 eh.
4?
Yeah, 4.
No, she already said 4.
No, she said 5. Oh. Naku, oh, Diyos ko, love na love naman. Ate, huwag mo awayin yung baby natin today. Birthday girl. Birthday girl. Oo, ay, bakit mo ay, naku. Uy, ang sarap naman. Wow. You say I love you to baby na.
I love you.
Yan, bababa na kami. Kailangan na pumunta sa front desk. Hi! Tingin ka dito, Nam. Birthday girl. Meron pang birthday. Ayan.
Yan, nagre-reklamo na po yung aking asawa. Di doon nakukuha na niyang kanyang outfit of the day.
Wow! There's playground.
Tara, tingnan natin yung kid zone.
Nice and cool.
Siga ng bag mo.
Yeah, we're going to a different hotel now. Here's the front lobby. Wow! Yan, nandito na kami sa shuttle. Yung isa, gusto niya sa window. Hi!
Kasama yung harapan. Meron pang 15-seater.
Like they have their own.
Ay, naku, hindi nyo dinala yung camera nyo.
Hindi, ano yan? Dagat yan. Mangrove yun eh.
Ayan. We're going to the different hotel. We're here at Sunset Marina. Ayan. Sunset Marina. Tara, dito ka sa akin. Oh, wow.
Okay, amigos? Because this condo, guys, you're gonna have it all around the world, worldwide property. Okay, amigos?
Oh, there's a jacuzzi.
You like it, amigos?
There's the dinner area, dining area. Dinner, lunch. First time having lunch here. Ooh, dessert. Excuse me. Fish. Chicken. What's this? Breast beef. Wow, beef.
like this. Maybe I'll take one of this. I'll try some chips. Para Mexican. Then, I'll get beef. Nam, kainin mo na yan. Sige na. Sarap. Eh, mali pa. Hindi Hawaiian. So, Hawaiian, mag-aano pang Hawaiian. Free pizza. Again, kakakain lang namin. Kain na naman. Grabe. Grabe dito. Yung gusto mo magpapayat kasi nga, ano, naka-swimsuit ka pero hindi mo magawa magpapayat. Na? We're going to Laguna, to the other hotel that we haven't been to. Doon mag-dinner. Doon kami mag-dinner. Laguna Suites. There. Picturean kita dyan, Nam. Here's the Laguna Suites. Wow. Parang ano din dito, no? Tahimik din, no? Ha? Different playground. Babe, order muna tayo tapos ano, we can go na. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Navi. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Thank you. Wish, wish. Wish the wish. You cannot know that, Nam. No. Wish na lang, wish.
You wish for a fireworks, right?
Yay! Say thank you, Nam.
Yan, breakfast na kami. Kami lang pala. Tayo lang pala. Maaga kami, 6 o'clock dahil magbe-breakfast. 7 o'clock, alis na kami. We're done with breakfast. Yan, dito muna kami sa beach. Picture kami dito. So, mag-hintay yung pack lunch because we're gonna bring pack lunch for our tour. We're going to Chicken Itza. Wow!
Ardeo.
RD. Okay. Sa gitna kayong dalawa.
I'm gonna go.
Wait. It's like we're in a top of a cinema. We're at the very back kasi apat kami. Yes. Hi. Hi, Barbies. Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie. Mom, can I go over?
Los calendarios de calendars se hacen made with that material, con ese material. Le voy a mostrar ahorita. Now I'm gonna show you una fecha importante escrita en un papel. I'm going to show you one special date on that paper.
Parang ito yung
Esa fecha escrita, that date written, you know, on that paper.
We're here at hindi ko alam kung nasa kami. Pero kami tinikman kanina yung decor. Ewan ko dito kami magla-lunch. Dito ba tayo magla-lunch? Ah, ayun. Kakain pala kami dito. May mga presyo, di ba? Hindi ko naintindihan yung price. Ano ba yun? Lovely passport dito. Having lunch.
Pagka umorder ka ng pork, lalagay nila sa tao.
Oh.
Mag-order ka na.
Awa na. Kakain na kami. Lunch. Mexican. I'm so excited to eat. Tapos na kaming kumain.
It's not allowed to smoke inside. No se puede fumar. Y como no se puede fumar, pues no se pueden introducir much, you know. What the soldiers they found, right?
We're playing.
Dito na kami sa papunta sa Chicken Itza.
Mamaya may free time tayo.
Yeah. Nahuli na kami. Naiwan kami ng tour guide namin. Dito daw yung pinupugot yung mga head ng mga dati. Ay, may snake te. Snake head.
Oh yeah, but were they apart?
Ha?
Were they all together?
Yeah.
But they chop it out?
No. They're preserved. Ayun, bilis.
Las caderas, las rodillas que dice Denise, ceremonias, bailes, dances.
Holding the head. Right there.
Los arqueólogos solo encontraron fragmentos de las cabezas acá. Archaeologists, they found only pieces, fragments of the heads here. No los cuerpos, not the bodies.
Oh, no body, just head.
El resto de los cuerpos.
We're here at the Chichen. Chichen means opening. It's like a mouth of water. Chi, sabi niya. Sagrado. Right there. Yeah, it's a well. Yeah. Water well. Thank you. So we're here at Cenote. Dito daw yung fresh water. Liligo sana kami pero sinabi kailangan daw tumalon. So, iba ko kung kaya ko. Anong there no? Ay, ang ganda dito. Selva Maya. Wow. Let's check. Very Mexican feel. Oh, there's a turtle. Oh, two turtles.
Ito nga, meron din dito.
$5. Hi. Let's go. Dito daan. Ang bango. Ang bango ng tacos, babe. May Mexican food. Wow, bar. Dito yung shower. May mga bar. Yeah.
Bumili kami even that they have a shoe.
Binili nyo? Just kidding. Kayong dalawa? Wow.
Video to, video. Video.
Tapos na kami, mabilisang langoy lang para lang matry. Ang sarap. Very nice. Pero hindi ako nag-jump because I'm scared. Sundalo sa labas.
Oh, wait, Mom.
Ay, ito, tayo. Ayun na, te.
tignan mo, meron siya hawak sa taas, di nalalaglag, no? Ang ganda din ng Mexico, no? Ma-colorful, no? Parang ang lively, no? That's a pink crocodile. You like it? It's nice. Okay. Sayaw ka nga doon ng Macarena sa gitna. Dito. Kagot ka doon sa gitna. Dito na mo.
Tequila. We have exactly two types here. We have the classic stuff with 40 portion of vodka, something different. And another part you hear. Start first with one clear tequila. We choose two distills. We need to know in the middle of the plant of blue agave, you know. You can, yeah, it's a little bit. Don't worry. Oh my God, sirs, come on. Okay, so again, in the middle of the plant of blue agave, you know, we can take one natural juice. In this natural juice, actually you can distill this natural juice. For example, the type of the distill that we distill this honey of blue agave, it's in one ceramic.
Just put some water
Please.
for you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, cheers. Cheers, te. Cheers. You wanna?
These all the same.
We're here at Playa del Carmen. Hanap muna kami ng kakainan.
Beach chair, may
Ang fine ng sun dito. Eh.
Yeah.
You like it? Dito ba talaga dadaan? Dito ba talaga? Ayan, ganyan lang. Ay, ang galing naman ng baby ko ah.
Oo, galing mo.
Okay.
Galing ng baby. Dito ka na lang.
Sige, go. Wow! Going change of plan. Ayan. Bubble party na lang daw kami. Baka wala na, tapos na. O, tapos na yata. Nagsasalita na.
Then we'll just go in the main floor.
Okay. Kuya Em! Okay lang. Oo, nagsasayawan sila dito. Happy birthday! Paano kaya natin uli? Oo. Yan ba happy birthday ba yun?
Eso, vamos a cantar somos todos. Eso, que viva, que viva, que viva. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. eso, Marina lo está pasando muy bien.
Bye! Bye-bye! We're leaving. There's our shuttle. Sad na yung baby ko? Airport. Ayan, sige. Split. Wow!
Welcome back home.
Welcome back to me, sabi mo.
Welcome back home. We're in Philippines.
Philippines, alam mo ba yun?
Philippines.
Nasa Philippines tayo?
Nasa Philippines tayo.
Tsura mo.
Yay! Why do you wanna go home? Because she miss her toys.
That's why I wanna go home.
You wanna watch My Little Pony again?
My Little Pony.
Ilang oras ka mo?